Hello everyone, good afternoon. Kaisar Mustafa, Pakistani American News Channel. Please like, subscribe and comment on my videos. And to become a member of Pakistani American News Channel, click on thanks. Ukraine war could using modern Western weapons inside Russia turn the battle dice. Until now, Western countries had imposed a restriction that Ukraine could use the weapons provided by them against Russia only inside Ukraine and in the occupied territories, including Crimea. They feared that attacking internationally recognized cross-border targets with weapons supplied by NATO countries would escalate the conflict. But the latest Russian advance in the northeastern Kharkiv region has convinced Ukraine's Western allies that in order to defend itself, Ukraine must be able to destroy direct Russian military targets on the other side of the border. Last month, Russia opened a new front with a massive ground offensive in the area and captured several villages. The Russian advance has put Ukraine's second largest city, Kharkiv, just 30 kilometers from the border under serious threat. At this point, the border is the battlefront, and since the use of Western weapons against targets outside of Ukraine has so far been banned, the Russian military could prepare for new operations and attacks in a safe environment after mounting pressure from Ukraine and other European countries. The US has agreed to change its policy and allow Kyiv to attack Russia with Western weapons. US Secretary of State Antony Blinken said in an interview on the sidelines of the NATO foreign ministers meeting in Prague on Friday that the hallmark of our relationship is that we adapt as needed to respond to what is happening on the battlefield and ensure that Ukraine has what it needs when it needs it. Just days before the announcement, Russian President Vladimir Putin had threatened to expand sanitary zones if Western long-range weapons were used to attack Russian territory. He said that Europe's NATO countries should remember that they are densely populated states based on small territories. He added that they must keep this factor in mind before talking about an invasion far into Russian territory. Avoiding tension in probably the reason why the US has refrained from allowing the use of long-range weapons such as tactical missiles to attack Russia. These missiles have a range of up to 300 kilometers and can be used to target military bases and airfields within Russian territory. Thanks for watching Pakistani American News Channel.